Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Today we have this car again. It's a 2009 C300. There is no communication with the old SAM control module, and there is no communication with a lot of computers. And what we look at it here, we come and we open this place here. You see, we found water inside, a lot of water damage. You see here, this one here is still wet. So what happened is water get into this place and rise up and affect the communication line. You see, this is one of the communication line. You see, get corroded. And another communication line also here get wet. You see, get wet with the water, creating a lot of communication issue. So the first thing you need to do is look here. Look how the water get into it. Messed up all the car. Please, if you have a car like this, don't let no water get into your car. You see, the other one is there. You see, that is another communication line, car network system line, also full of water. First thing to do is to get all these lines. You see, okay. You see this here also is full of water. So what do you need to do? That one also is a communication line. And you know, all the computers, they come here, they take the information in and out, and they send a message like for the power windows. You know, this is a power window. You have to move the window by manually. So this one here is full of water. This one here, this place here is full of water. And water come from under the hood or somewhere and messed up this. So even though we put a new SAM module, but this have to be taken care of. If it's not, you cannot talk to anything. So you have to get all this new, take them out, clean it, and put them in, and then the car will work. So you have one this side, maybe another communication line the other side. Just be sure that don't let water get into this car. Water is the enemy of those cars, the new generation with electronics. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. See you in another video.